ass. I can get a picture of it. I was like, pull the ass. More stripper pictures.
Oh no. Not stripper pictures. Stripper video.
I'm like,
I'm a man!
You're a man? Well, then let me bend over.
No, fuck you.
And fuck you. This is awesome. Fuck y'all. I love you. No, I love you.
No, you know. No, you know.
I'm just fucking with you.
You don't know. Just to get him.
Shasta!
What the fuck?
I love you, baby.
Help
you
me.
do. Well, it's not gonna happen, is it?
No. She ran from a bitch punching me in the face. Fuck no. What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to help you up. Can you make it?
Hell no. I'm down for the count. Hey, I'm a man.
So, men got titties too?
When I jog, they clap. Oh wait, that's my thighs. Can you stop? Can you stop, please? Stop.
Happy Thanksgiving, Jack.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye, God.
What's up?
Strippers on strippers.
You got two Puerto Ricans here.
It would be much better if you were Honduran.
It would be much better if you had a strap-on right now.
It's in the mail! It's in the goddamn mail, okay? I will get it here around December 3rd.
Alright, well, I'm waiting.
And then David will be able to be like, I'm drunk as fuck, I can't talk. Won't be able to say, well, give me a dick and I'll suck it. And I'll be like, here's my dick, suck it. And I'll be like, alright.
And then.
I don't go like this to you. Hey, security!
Shane turns around. I'm molesting her. Him, whatever.
Ma'am, we're not allowed to touch the customers.
Nobody. Stop. I can do it too.
Control your girlfriend.
You got me down here.
You're the one who was playing with me.
I was trying to stick a pole in your ass.
Exactly. I don't have any lube, motherfucker. No.
No, I have some lube.
Wait a minute. No.
Oh, we have lube.
No. Never asked. No. That came out completely wrong. No.
Oh, yeah, baby, you're so drunk.
I don't want it up the butt.
I'm sorry, I'm just messing with you.
You don't want to play
I don't want it up the butt. I don't want it.
Messing with you. Oh, I love you. I'm just fucking with
I don't want it up the butt. 6 shots are too many.
You want me to put it somewhere else?
I'm a man.
She can put it in your ear so you can hear her coming.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, my
No. No, sir. Negative, Captain.
I love this. I want to copy this video.
I gotta pickle. Hey.
You don't have it. No, you don't have it yet. You don't have a pickle
It's in the
yet.
mail.
It's in the mail. Exactly. You don't have it yet.
I got some pickle in the mail. Please don't put this on Facebook.
You should tag me in it.
Please don't
What are you doing?
Please don't put this on Facebook.
Oh, it'll go on YouTube.
It'll go on YouTube.
YouTube
And I'll put a link on my Facebook for it.
Shasta, bite them!
Good dog.
Your dog is a terrible guard dog.
Trust me, I know. I've been kneading the face, and she's like, "What's going on? Why are you being kneaded in the face?"
Third time he's mentioned that one.
Pouty face. Aww.
Can I have my hair back?
Say please.
Please.
That's better. Good girl. Boy, whatever. I love you.
You a lie.
Aww.
You a lie.
Aww. You are so drunk.
Fuck you. No.
What?
30,000 hits already.
Right?
Fuck y'all.
30,000 hits already.
My tummy's so full.
Oh, poor baby.
Why is all the rum gone? Because Jack drank it.
I'm not doing bad for one shot and one drink. Whatever. Oh.